Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ask the AI on Lucidchart to summarize a diagram for you. For example, if you need a diagram of flowchart nodes or an outline. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram on Lucidchart. Let me go with this one here. And as you can see, it features some example content, elements, shapes, and yeah. So I would like to summarize that diagram. To do that, guys, simply navigate to Lucidchart AI in the top left, and here use that communication panel to give the artificial intelligence the command, for example, to summarize the given diagram. Let me go for prompt like this, press enter, and after that click into continue here. Wait for the AI to process the prompt and to create your summarize, and you will see the summarize here. You may also rate it as positive or negative, copy it here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.